guys, welcome back to my channel. So here's a new video for you all. So before going to the video, I wanted to show you a few paintings that I did last week, and I didn't post it because I was a little bit sick, but here I am with a new video. So let's get started. So what we're gonna do here is I'm gonna mark some lines for the border, and here we're gonna keep a lot of space for the border. It's gonna be a little bit thicker border than the usual one because there's gonna be some design in the border as well. So that's why I just keep a little bit bigger space than usual. If you think it should be bigger than this, you can make a little bit thicker space or thicker border for the design. So this is a kalamkari painting. If you go on internet, you'll find so many different ideas for kalamkari paintings. Specifically, I combined the two main designs that I thought would look good, because in a traditional kalamkari there's a lot of minute designs of leaves and flowers and borders. So I wanted to put that, and I'll also the face of Devi. So that's why I'm doing both of them. So if you just want to draw the face, that's up to you, and if you don't want to go into detailing of the background, you can just skip that and just do plain color, either red, orange, or whatever your choice is. So first I'm gonna finish the drawing this face. So I'm just making a rough sketch first, and wherever I feel it should be little, if the face is a little bit rounder or the eyes are bigger, I'm gonna keep making some changes till I feel it's good enough. And then we will move on to the next step, which is to mark it with the fine liner. So this is what the final rough sketch looks like. I made the face a little bit rounder than before, and when I'll be happier with all the design outline, so I will move on to marking it with a fine liner. Choose a white liner if you choose a fine liner only if you are doing the painting with the watercolor or any other color, if you're because it won't bleed through the color. So it's better to choose some fine liners. So now keep on marking or finalizing your design with the fine liner. So once you'll be finished with the outlining, so you can move on to drawing some the background floral patterns. So I just choose some vines, like some leafy structure and some round patterns here and there. So what we're gonna do here is I'm just gonna rub the pencil out, and in the spaces in between I'm gonna fill in the maroon color. So if you want to do some different color, so make sure to choose some darker, bright color. Either you can go on with a orange as well, or just a plain like a blood red color, or some sunshine yellow or some bright yellow color as well. That look again better with this kind of pattern, because we're choosing only two colors here, black and red, and also white you can take as a contrast. So let's move on with the border. Okay guys, so this is what the painting looks like, and please give me a huge thumbs up if you like the video, and if you want to make this yourself, please share your pics with me on my Instagram handle, and do follow me there as well if you are not already, and to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and give me a huge thumbs up, and next time I'll come up with a new video for you all. Till then, bye bye, take care, be safe.